Sinabihan ko na rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.
Ma'am, regarding sa result sa senatorial candidates, ma'am, ano tingin niyo magiging takbo ng impeachment trial, ma'am? How positive are you na, or confident are you na ma-acquit kayo, ma'am, sa impeachment trial sa Senate po?
Wala akong expectations of acquittal or a verdict guilty. Basta sa akin lang ay tinanggap ko na kung ano yung magiging verdict. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace. At hindi ko alam kung paano boboto ang mga senators. If at all there will be a trial, I think it is wrong to start counting votes now because they haven't seen evidence yet. They haven't seen what the prosecutors have. They haven't seen what our defense is. So, parang mali siguro na magbilingan ng boto ng walang trial. Pero, ginagawa siya ng publiko. So, basta sa akin, tanggap ko kung anong mangyayari, anong magiging ending noong impeachment.
Pero yung preparation po ng mga lawyers natin, kamusta po?
Lawyers, okay naman sila. In full throttle na yung kanilang preparations for the impeachment. And of course, they would not want a trial as lawyers. Alam naman natin ang galawan ng mga abogado, no? Marami silang mga paraan sa batas as a legal recourse for their clients. But sinabihan ko na rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.